India should make a friend in China, not an enemy. Let's understand why. Government is promoting Make in India through various schemes like production link incentives so that we manufacture in India. Why? So that we hire more laborers, we import less goods and we export more. Okay, but in order to import lesser and export more, our local goods must be much cheaper than China. To manufacture a cheaper final good, we need a cheaper raw material. Okay, now we get raw materials at cheap rate if we buy raw material in bulk. All right, 100 किलो का रॉ मटेरियल का प्राइस वर्सेस 10,000 किलो का रॉ मटेरियल का प्राइस ऑब्वियसली सस्ता होगा. नाउ इफ वी बाई रॉ मटेरियल इन बल्क, we'll have to manufacture in bulk. And here's the problem. Let's understand with the example of an air conditioner case study. कंप्रेसर चाहिए एसी बनाने के लिए, बट कंप्रेसर मेन वी इंपोर्ट फ्रॉम चाइना. And why? Because the entire size of India's air conditioner market is 40 to 50,000 crore. AC companies generally make 6% profit. That leads to a 2,400 crore to 3,000 crore of cash. A single company, Gree in China, makes a revenue of 2,18,000 crore. And on a 12% profit margin, they generate 24,000 crore of cash. One single company. Because they manufacture in bulk, they have higher profit margins. They are able to sell it at cheaper cost to the entire world. That is why China is the biggest exporter of ACs in the world. Now India has two options. Either maintain friendly relations from China so that things like compressor, China हमको टाइम टू टाइम बेचता रहे, और टेक रिस्क, स्टार्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन बल्क. इवन दो वो इंडिया में नहीं बिक पाएगा पूरा माल, बट देन वी नीड टू स्टार्ट एक्सपोर्टिंग. सम स्मार्ट कंपनीज लाइक Daikin from Japan have already started doing that. Daikin has announced a very big air conditioner manufacturing capacity in India, but they know they won't be able to sell all the ACs in India. That is why they have decided to now export from India to rest of the world.